I used a highlighting system to study my notes. And this note-taking method didn't just help with my understanding in class, it helped me with assessments too. And it would also help me with exam prep later. I used green for definitions and meanings, pink for really big main points or concepts, orange was for the detail that went along with that main point, and then yellow was for the background information to that main point as well. I knew I had to really understand and memorize all of the green highlights, so the definitions and the meanings, because they related to multiple choice, short answer and long answer questions, and they really helped my understanding. Then the first time I went through my study notes, I'd read the pink, the orange and the yellow highlights, so that main point, detail and background information. I wouldn't bother reading anything that wasn't highlighted, and that was usually fluff words, filler content, or information that the lecturer had said would be on the exam. So I wouldn't waste my time reading it. Then the second time I went through my notes, I'd just read the pink and the orange highlights. I wouldn't read the yellow. So I was just studying the main point and the detail with that. Then the day of the exam, I'd just have a look over the pink highlights, and that was just to keep those main points or concepts at the front of my mind, knowing that I had the detail and the background information already there. After all, note-taking effectively helps us actually understand the material and not just know the words. So I was able to understand the material as I went through a semester, and then I was just studying them and refreshing them in my mind for the exam.